Welcome lovies, I'm Emerald C. Let's do a Unice wig unboxing. We started with the bald cap. We're going to open up our little box and it came in with this little bag. This bag is filled with HD wig cap. We used the wig cap, lashes, a little makeup brush, followed by the band and the actual wig, which is an 18-inch, 14 by 4-inch lace HD in the color red wine. So we applied the wig, we sprayed on a little adhesive, added our little wax stick, we cut around the edges of the lace, using a little bit of alcohol to wipe off any excess glue, adding a little bit more of the adhesive and kind of letting the hair down, adding our little wax stick and kind of melting the edges with the hot comb, adding the little band. We're going to create a nice curved part, define that part with the hot comb, kind of remove the band. We're going to add just a little bit of edges here, kind of cutting a couple of inches down, using our flat iron to curl, a little mousse, and our rat tail comb for the edges. We're going to let our hair down again, add a little bit of mousse to bring out those like natural curls that are already in here. I'm going to brush it in, add a little powder, tweeze around the hairline, and boom, this is our wig. This is what it looks like same day. Next day I curled it just a little bit more. I decided to straighten it the second week. And then I wanted less volume, kept it straightened, and did my eyebrows too.